Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make a channel private in Slack. So open up your website or your application, and what you want to do is go to channels right here on the left side. As you can see, they all have hashtag icons, which means that they are currently in a public channel. So if you want to make it private, you just click on any channel you want. Then when you right click on it, this will pop up. Then what you want to do is click on the channel details, then click on settings. Then as you can see, there's a option here to change to a private channel. And what you want to do now is just click on it, then this will pop up. You could read it. Then if you're done, just click on change to private. And as you can see, the icon becomes like a locked symbol, which means that it is currently a private channel. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you in the next one.